Okay guys, did you know that you could actually add RAM to this phone? It's an older phone by today's standard. It's a Note 20 Ultra Samsung Galaxy. And yes, it's an actual feature, not an app that you download from the store, not one of those scammy things at addram.com or all that crappy stuff. This is an actual feature from Samsung that lets you add a RAM or virtual RAM to your phone utilizing the memory on your phone. And how we do that? Go to settings and scroll down to wherever your battery is on my phone here. Let me find my battery somewhere. It's here, battery and device care. And after you find that, you go to memory, which you see it has already its own 12 gigabytes. You can clean this. I really like to clean mine just to get rid of all that clutter that I don't need. And after you do that, and excuse me about the notifications, of course my camera wants to go nuts right now. And you go here to where it says RAM Plus, and you see as you see right here, it says RAM Plus uses your phone storage space to provide virtual memory. Choose more virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. Choose less virtual memory to keep more storage space free. Well, I have enough memory on this phone, so I guess I could spare 8 gigabytes for RAM, as long as I can keep more apps open if I need them and when I need them. And this is an actually beautiful feature that I didn't even know myself until, maybe a week ago, and today I'm gonna share it with you guys. And as we go here, I'm gonna choose 8 gigabytes, obviously, and it will ask you to restart the phone. You hit restart, and you'll have to wait for the phone to start, and when it starts back, then we will check if it really has the 8 gigabytes of RAM. And after the restart, let's go to our settings right here. Let's go to wherever battery and device care was. Let's go to RAM. Click it, it's checking, doing all that stuff. I usually do this cleanup because when you restart, somehow there's meta services, their calendar, smart view, all that stuff that I really don't need to be running in the background. But besides that, here we go. RAM Plus, we have 8 gigabytes additional virtual RAM to our phone that we can use to hold more clutter on the background of our phone. And I, in my own opinion, think that this is a great feature to have, especially if you own a Samsung Galaxy Note 20, or I'm not sure if it's on the S series that you guys might have, the newer ones. I don't have an S series, so I'm not gonna say anything to that effect because I don't know. But as per now, this one is absolutely amazing and absolutely useful because you're going from 12 gigs of RAM, that is the physical RAM, plus 8, which you're going 12 plus 8, 20 gigs of RAM on your phone. That's more than enough. Obviously, it's not physical RAM, it's virtual RAM, but still, it works as physical RAM. You're still using memory from your phone to actually use that extra 8 gigabytes if you choose to go with the 8 gigabytes. And with that said, I think we are done with today's video, and I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time. If you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe, it helps me a lot, and bye!